Good morning, guys. It's early morning. I'm on my way to work. Morning shift. Last night was blizzard. It's everywhere. Snow mountains. Look at the snow. It's still a little bit darkness. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube so you guys can see how terrible the winter is here in the capital. It's really cold, really cold. Last night was really blizzard. I think whole the night when I was coming from work it was really windy. Oh my god, I just go through the main road because I cannot walk through the park. It's really covered with snow. I think 2-3 foot snow. It's just the only way I can get to the train station. And look at this.